Have you ever been told not to use Zelle for rent or utility payments because it's unprofessional or too risky? It's a common warning. But here's the truth: Zelle is fast, free, and integrated directly with your bank, making it a highly convenient tool for recurring, large-sum payments like rent, especially if you have an agreement with a trusted individual like a landlord or a roommate. The key is knowing how to use it smartly to mitigate the risks. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to give you 3 essential strategies to turn Zelle from a risky payment app into a safe, efficient, and well-documented tool for your biggest monthly bills. 1. Master the memo. The biggest drawback to Zelle for rent is the lack of a formal paper trail compared to a check or a dedicated payment platform. But you can create your own paper trail, and it all starts with the memo line. Never, ever send a Zelle payment for rent without a detailed note. Your memo should be specific and include 3 pieces of information: the purpose, the month, and the address/unit number. For example, instead of just saying rent, you should write June rent payment 123 Main Street, apartment 4B. This simple step ensures that the transaction on both your bank statement and your landlord's statement is clearly identifiable as a housing payment for a specific time period. This is your proof of payment, crucial for any accounting or dispute resolution. 2. Confirm your limits and plan for them. This is the most practical hurdle for large payments. Most banks place a daily and a monthly sending limit on Zelle transfers, and that limit is often lower than your monthly rent. For example, your bank might cap Zelle transfers at $2,500 per day. If your rent is $3,500, you have 2 smart options. Option A, split the payment. Send $2,500 one day and the remaining $1,000 the next day. But you must plan ahead. Start the first transfer at least a couple of days before the due date to ensure the full amount arrives on time. Option B, contact your bank. Since Zelle is bank-to-bank, some financial institutions will temporarily raise your limit for known, recurring payees like your landlord. A quick call could solve the problem for good. Always verify your specific bank's Zelle limits before relying on it for rent. 3. Vet and verify your recipient. Zelle is like digital cash. Once you hit send, it's gone. If you send money to the wrong email or phone number, there is no fraud protection or undo button. The smart user's golden rule is to always send a small test payment first. Send just $1 to your landlord or utility company's Zelle contact. Wait for them to confirm receipt. If they get it, you know the contact information is correct and the funds are going to the right account. This initial step takes a few minutes but eliminates the single biggest risk of using the platform. After that, you can send the full amount with confidence. Zelle is a powerful financial tool when used correctly. By mastering the memo, planning around your bank's limits, and always verifying your recipient, you turn convenience into a reliable, documented payment system for your biggest bills. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.